Hey there, it's Rawlins at the RJG Realty Group bringing you another video, part of our Contemporary Modern FAQ series. Be sure to like, subscribe, share to those who you think may benefit if you find this video helpful. Today's video is about raised ceilings. I like to call them vaulted ceilings. You may call them high ceilings, raised ceilings, what have you. This is another key element of a contemporary modern design home, especially the new construction projects. If you look behind me, you can see that this is a higher than standard 8-foot ceiling. We are looking at 11-foot ceilings in this home. Why high ceilings? Well, if we were to have a lower ceiling in this property, this room, while it's very large, it's got the windows, lots of natural lighting, which was video one. It's got open concept. There's the kitchen, living, dining, which is where I am, walking around. So it's got that element. If it lacked the high ceilings, which these are 11 foot, again, it would not feel nearly as awesome as it does in here. It wouldn't feel nearly as spacious. So the high ceilings are a key point of any contemporary design property right now, because what they do is they give the extra volume. We have width, length, and height to give us that cube, which is what an actual room dimension is when it feels a certain way. So having the high ceilings gives this area a much more spacious feel. Even in a mid-century modern home, you would like to see something with vaulted ceilings. If you go into an area like this one that has 10, 11, sometimes 12-foot ceilings, and then you go back into a normal room that's only got 8-foot ceilings, it feels a lot different. All right, just wanted to bring you another one. Stay tuned for more content. I will keep it coming. Let me know what you think. Give me any questions, comments, or concerns. Hope you found this helpful. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one.